so that's recording. It's meant for voice because we're like kids and I have a voice recording. Pretty much for like 4 minutes. That's how much space I have. On the new one I get, I'll have 32 gigabytes, so I can literally just keep recording. If I get that's one of the advantages. The picture's not bad on there.
So what happened? Did he got one out?
Nope, they missed. I think.
No, he didn't go.
No, he went home. I thought.
No,
No? So he threw the ball at nothing.
I don't know.
No, he got home. The other kid got home.
Oh. Does this record voice?
Yep. That's the speaker, and the recording is actually in there. And the one I'm gonna get, there's a front cam, so you can look at your face. And this one you can't. Is it still recording?
Oh, he almost hit the batter. I think he's trying too hard. He's trying too hard. Get it. Tag him. All right.
Smart play by Aaron.
Yeah.
Believe it or not.
Most people go to first.
Stop the run. Depends how you look at it. And of course, they got the out and they stopped it. But if he had missed the plate, he would have been coachable. Just went off the wall.
I nodded it.
Oh.
I got it on camera, though.
Yeah.
Well, you just knocked it. I'm going to turn it off because I'm tired of holding it. No, he's going to... Oh.
Did it stop?
Not yet. Still going.
I'm surprised it's still going. I didn't have a lot of space.
Grounder.
Oh, I'm doing actually pretty good. I didn't have to leave here till 2.
Almost 2.
Come on, Aaron. Oh, we just got one. I just hear your father. Oh, fumbled. Got him.